Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And Nail Reserved reached out to me to see if I wanted to try some more of their gels. I asked to try some from their new Glorious collection and I am so here for it. I was going through their site and it just looked like such a beautiful there's no way I'm gonna be able to put these all in my hand. Uno momento. So it actually looks like they sent a top coat, which is always nice. So they sent over Sassy, the base. Okay, so they sent me a base and top coat. They sent Sassy, Tiffany Red, which brown label. Let's knock everything over. Just a Flirt. Ooh, green Elves, like, yes. And then Precious Mate. So I'm dying to see this one. First up is Sassy. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Look at this color. I'm obsessed. Ooh, this is such a nice thin formula, but with tremendous payoff. I'm trying to make it nice and smooth because this is like the one that you can like swirl or not. Look at that. Here's Sassy, legit perfection. Next up is Just a Flirt. Ooh, look at that yellow. I am here for this. Is gonna be a beautiful springtime yellow. Yes. Here is Just a Flirt. I'm feeling their new logo. Like, just look at how clean that is. I love it. I've been dying to get into this like tealy green. This is green Elves. You know what? I don't know if I have a color like this. I have a lot of teals, but they always tend to lean more blue. Even this greener teal, like most of the teal kind of lighter-ish blues like this definitely lean more blue. This is, I feel like, is one of those true medium teals and I am loving it. Here is Green Elves. Next up is Precious Mate. Ooh, okay, that has a purple undertone. Okay, let's see what we're working with here. So into this color right now. Here is Precious Mate, super pretty. Last but not least, we have Tiffany Red. Ooh, hoo, hoo. This, you know, this is actually gonna be perfect for Valentine's Day because it's kind of like that syrupy red. So pretty. Here is Tiffany Red. Top definitely matches, the label does not, but still, what's inside matters. So I'm absolutely feeling these colors. I think this is perfect going into that really wintry season, and then you can start moving towards spring. So I want to say there might be 5 more colors in this collection. So I thought the colors that they sent me were a really great mix of, you know, going into this like wintry holiday season, and then you kind of have that winter going into spring. I just think these are super nice, and to be honest, you could wear these all year round. But look at this for like New Year's nails. I'm obsessed. Like, this color is just Like, look at that. I guess I should back it up there, but like, I'm so ready for some fun winter nails. So I'd like to thank Nail Reserve for sending these to me. I will make sure to link them below along with my discount code for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.